Show us what you do with the rattle. Not throw it on the ground. There you go. Ba. How about the rubber ducky? What do you do with the ducky? Where'd all your toys go, Thomas? Where are all your toys? All gone. All gone. You excited? Well, I'll take Mom over to see the kittens really quick. There's Miss Opal guarding the babies. And there they all are sleeping. Hi. Aren't they all precious? You're such a good mommy. This Magellan, the little red. And there's Opal's mini-me right there. And this gorgeous kitty is the one we call Spitter. She's really soft. Hi. And this one is Boots. Hi, Boots. This one is Little Tiger. Good stretch. Yeah. A sweetheart. They like this fur rug I've given them for the time being. Bye, guys.